Hey everyone, Chlorine King here. Welcome back for another video. In this video, we're going to talk about the different generations of the Riptide steering knuckle and show you where they started and where they're at now. So this first product here to the left was a prototype they sent me about a year ago when they realized they wanted the vacuum to have some turning capability without having to walk all around the edge of the pool. And it was a great first product. There's a couple downfalls. The first one was you still had to use the blue adapter for your pool pole. And secondly, when you turn this one sharply, it would nosedive into the floor of the pool and basically stop the vacuum in its tracks. And so it helped in a lot of ways, but also wasn't unlocked to its full potential. This commercial version they released, as you can see, is obviously a step above. It's got the overbuilt Riptide metal everywhere, so it's a very durable product. It fixed the turning issue, but again, you still had to use the blue pole adapter. And again, you're still adding length to the system because it's another part you had to attach to the stair roller connection point where the vacuum, where the pole attached to the vacuum head, and then your adapter on top of here. So as of 2019, they just released this gem, which is absolutely phenomenal. It's very robust, very heavy, but this permanently attaches to the vacuum head. This replaces the old attachment point with the stair roller. And the cool thing about this is you can use a standard pool pole or still use that blue pole adapter that you guys have grown and loved. And it's got a very nice turning radius, so it really gives the vacuum a lot of mobility standing still. So I really enjoy it. It's a great product. It's not a free upgrade, and it's not something that's going to come standard. It is an upgraded charge of $80, which is completely worth it. Just head over to riptidevac.com and pick that up and let them know Chlorine King sent you. So as always, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day, everyone.